Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JNB World. So today I am going to discuss about table in MS Word. Okay, so how to create a table, then how to merge the cells, then everything, how to split the cells, everything I am going to discuss today in this video. So for this first you have to watch the full video and please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so that whenever I will update something you just can get the notice. Okay, so for this first you have to go to insert button. Okay, and then you have to go to the option table. Okay, you have to go to the table option, and then in this way you just create a table or simply go to the insert table options. Okay, in insert table option, say here two option is there, number of column and number of rows. Say my column is 5 and my rows is say 4. Okay, and then you have to click on OK. Okay, and now you have to go to the this is the normal table. Okay, now for entering the means mark the cell, for split the cell, for this thing you have to go to the layout. Okay, layout option. So in layout option first we will get one thing, table height and table width. Okay, first I want to increase the table height, so for this you have to click on this one. Okay, and table width is say okay, this is okay. Next one is I also increase. Okay, this way I can increase the table width. Okay, okay, next is how to merge the cell. Say for example, for some reason, for example annual report or annual result. Okay, so for this you want a whole row, not the cells like this. Okay, so for this you want a merge cell. Okay, so for this first you have to select the row. Okay, okay, so if I select the row and go to the option here, merge cells option. Okay, means merge the selected cells into one cell. Merge cells means it will merge all the cell into one cell so that we can enter the value here. So like this we can merge the cell. See here. Okay, now you just enter your text. Say my text is annual report, annual result. Okay, okay, so here alignment is there for text in table. Okay, so here 9 alignments are there. See, there are 9 alignments are there. I am giving you the example. See, this is the first alignment, alignment top left. Okay, next is alignment top center. See, it will display the center mode. Then alignment, this is right. Okay, okay, this is right, and then this one is alignment center left, this one is alignment center, this is alignment center right. Okay, this is alignment button left, then is again button bottom center, and this one is bottom right. Okay, so 9 alignments are there. Okay, so wherever you want to place your text you just click on the appropriate options. Okay, so I want this one alignment center, so I have to click on this one so that it will display in the center. So I want to increase my size of the, okay, like this. Okay, and again go to the layout and then just I just want to click on this one alignment center. This is already in alignment center. Okay, like this we can means give the options of alignment in table. Okay, next one is again go to the layout button, and then we just split the table cells and split the cells also. Okay, so for this first say I want to split this cell. Okay, so for some reason I want to split the cell, then just select the cell and click on split cell. Okay, in how many column? In 2 column. If I want to 3 column, then I just keep on this one increasing, but I want only 2 column, then you have to click on OK. See, like this your cell will be splitting. Okay, and just you want to increase the size, then just go to this one. Okay, so like this you just split your cells, merge your cells, then you can write the alignment in table in this way. Next one is you just go to design option. Okay, in design option, so lots of table styles are there. Say this one, more options are there, so I want to this. Okay, not this one, good, this one. Okay, so another option is there. For some reason you just want like this type of arrow, means diagonal type of arrow. Okay, for this you have to select the cell and then go to the layout option, and then you just go to one thing, draw table. In the design option you just go to the draw table. Okay, in draw table you just click on there and one pen sign will appear. Okay, this was the pen sign, and you just click on the color, say red color, and then you just want one diagonal line from here. See, like this we just create one diagonal line also. If I want this diagonal line, we just means thick, we just make our diagonal line thick like this. Okay, so say for example, again click on the color, say red, go to this one. See, like this we can give my diagonal color red and thick. Okay, so this is all about today's. Okay, in the next video I will discuss about the how to insert the picture in a table cell. Okay, so everyone, thank you. If I like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.